Sige pa.
E.
Letter E.
This one E.
E, yes. Big E and small E. Capital letter and small E.
Wait.
Uhit. Uhit.
Another one.
Another one. Okay. A small E. And letter
F.
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 G.
G.
Another one.
Another one. Small G. This is capital G. This is small G. Capital K. Here. What is this?
H.
H. Okay.
Wait.
Guhit.
Another wait.
Another guhit.
Another wait.
Another guhit.
Wait.
Guhit.
Another one.
Another one. And this one, what letter?
I.
I. Okay. This one letter?
J.
J.
Wait.
Guhit. Okay. Period. Tulo. J. This one letter?
K.
Letter K. Okay. Letter K. Here. Capital
What
K.
that?
K muna. Guhit. And guhit. Okay. And how about this?
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Letter
Oh.
L.
What? What's that?
Big letter L, capital letter. It's
No.
small letter L.
I.
No, it's small letter L. Not I. This one letter
M.
M. Okay. Ah. Mm-hmm. How about
N.
this? N.
What's that?
Oh, later. This is capital letter N. Big one, letter N, capital. They call it capital. And the small letter N. This is how to write small letter N. Okay. Very good. Letter?
In the penis.
Hindi finish. Yes. What is that? Letter?
Oh.
O. Capital letter O. And? Small letter O. And this one?
P.
P.
Letter D.
Letter D. Guhit?
P. Letter O.
Letter O. Okay.
Alam naman yung basahin. Hindi na alam.
Hindi sa pagsusulat. Letter T. Guhit. And letter? This one?
Q.
Q. Okay. Sa letter P, ang pagsusulat ng capital letter, yung guhit daw tapos letter D. Tapos yung small letter O daw yun, tapos guhit. Okay, how about this?
R.
R.
Letter D.
Letter D. That is R, not D. Looks like letter D only how to write. For this one, letter S. Capital letter S. And what is this?
E.
S small. Letter
U.
U.
Another one.
Another one. Okay, very good.
B.
V. as in victory, like Vincenzo. And this one, small letter V. How about this?
W.
W, and later we will cut your nail. Capital letter W and small letter W. Okay, very good. Good job, baby. How about this last three? X. Okay. Okay. Okay, very good. Good job, baby.
What?
Y, last two letters.
Just one.
Last one. Y symbols as?
C.
No, Y is for letter Z. Z is symbol for Z. What is this one? Z is for?
Zebra.
Zebra. Y is for? Y is for what?
Yate.
Yate.
Yate and?
Baby.
No. Yellow. X is for?
X. Boys.
X is for?
Boys.
Huh?
Boys.
Oh, boys.
Right
Xylophone. Hmm. Okay, very good, baby.
Right hand.
Write the hand. You will draw your hand. Very good. I will give you star. Not right like that. How to handle the ball pen. Wow!
Nails.
Nails. Mm. Very